OG on the jerkbait. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What's going on, fishing fam? Welcome back to another episode. I'm out here this morning with my man Ruben, getting everything rigged up. He's got his tube set up. Mine's right over here by the water. We just got out here, got everything rigged up, and we are both super hyped. It's early. This is his first time being here. Yeah, you right. Hyped up?
Oh man, I'm excited, dude. I've heard, and I want to see. So yeah, we ready.
All right, guys, we're out here. We're gonna start out with some top water. I'll go over what I got tied up. You know, I always like to show you guys what I start out with in the morning. So we're gonna start out with white buzz bait. I got a Shine Glide, Savage Gear Shine Glide. We also have a 6-cent hybrid jig, and then I got a drop shot tied up. Tubes ready. The lake is waiting, and it's already light out, so we need to get the tubes launched. If you guys have been enjoying the content, do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, let's get it. You ready, man?
Hey, yeah, let's go.
Fist bump us.
Hi, baby.
Like I said, guys, we're gonna start out with a buzz bait. Got a 6-cent Divine swim bait on as the trailer. See if something wants to play here this morning. Gotta start out with the more of a moving style top water. Just to start out. There he is. Underspin. Finally. Underspin. It's a good one too. Yes. 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 Look at that. With the no, with the juggle, 6-inch juggle.
Let's go.
He's a little fatty. Yeah. Let's get it, boys. Smoked it. Oh my God. Right next to me. Oh, gee. On the jerkbait. Dude, crushed it. Decent one. Dude, crushed it. Jerkbait. Didn't even see the boil. Dude, this is a fatty. Dude, absolutely stopped it. That is a tank. That's a little tank, dude. Damn. One for the jerkbait, one for the underspin.
Yeah, let's go. First one.
His first bluegill ever, guys. That's crazy. Oh, I'm already on.
Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. It's my first bluegill ever. Let's go. Hey, damn. That's a good one. Oh my god.
Look where I got him, man. They're like twins, low-key. The same color, you know? They doubles.
Oh. It's a good one too. Yeah, what's that, bro?
That's a tank. Look at that tank.
Damn, that's a good one too.
That's a tank. Hey, let's go.
There you go.
Oh, both at the same time.
Double.
Dude, this guy hit it so hard.
Hey, let's go, baby. Double. Show. There it is, dude.
Look at that slab. Oh my god.
That's a good one. Damn, they're aggressive.
Yeah, they're pretty aggressive. Mean like a spotty G. We set the hook at like the exact same time.
Alright. That was sick. Nice. Is that a bass?
Right?
It looks like a bass, huh?
One time we were using salami.
Yeah.
And we were killing it.
Salami.
because all we had was like sandwich stuff.
Yeah.
So we were just using like the bread from the sandwich and like some shrimp.
So back at it, man. This is awesome, dude. First time.
Anybody catch anything out there?
No, I missed like 3 bites when I was out today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed a couple on the Senko and 2 on the frog. Small blow-ups, yeah. One was a big blow-up, but it just didn't commit. It just didn't fully get the frog, you know? But it was a big blow-up, so we should have gone on that.
It's like they don't like to eat it off. Oh, I was about to say it's like they don't like to eat it off the bottom.
Nice.
Probably chill. I was just letting it sit on the bottom waiting for a bullhead.
Shit, I'm have to take some bread to Sweetwater.
Right. Residue.
Yes, right. Damn.
Ruben's about to get on one. I just caught this tank bluegill, big breeder. That one's probably goes over a pound, G, I bet you. Been tagged here. I'm on. I'm on.
Oh, nice.
I'm on. I was like, I'm getting tagged. I'm still waiting to catch a giant like that one I caught earlier. I gotta send you some old videos from here when I first started coming here. I'm out here catching bluegill. Oh, that was crazy. I reeled it up, let it fall, and then he ate it instantly. This is a tank, I think. Has to be a decent one. Oh yeah. Decent one. Look how fat they are. Healthy, dude.
Eating good out here.
Eating good. Look at that. That's a pretty one. That's a good eater right there. Perfect size to eat, and he has no blemishes, so you know he's healthy. I say they're like 5 feet down. 5 to 10 feet down. Got tapped?
Yeah.
If I don't get hit, oh, let it go down some more. Close the bell. Sit there, no bites. Let it sink. You got bread?
Yeah,
Reel it up now. Oh, that's crazy. I was about to say reel it up now because I didn't get hit. This is a tank. I think this is a tank. Oh yeah, this is a decent one. Oh, it choked. No wonder he had it and I didn't know it. Damn, I hate when they choke it. Nice, beautiful bluegill here. He choked it, so we gotta try to get the hook out.
What time do they close the lake?
Dark.
When it gets dark?
When it gets dark, G. That's the first thing they say. Let me see it.
Fuck, bro, no. Oh, no.
Dude, the bell was open.
Bro. Oh.
Dude, the bell was open.
Bro, I just saw that shit just dive down, dude.
Dude, the bell was open. Wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Alright guys, bass bite was super tough. I only got 2. Ruben didn't even catch a bass. We just caught a ton of bluegill all day. And we're both tired. Gonna get ready to head out. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to comment, like, subscribe. We're out of here. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.